is up, you guys? What's up? Today I'll be showing you how to make a welcome GUI on your screen. Let's get rid of toolboxes, we don't need that. So first what we're going to do is insert a screen GUI, of course, and insert a frame. And now you're just going to want to scale that frame how you want, the size you want your welcome to be. So I think I would do it like that. Alright, sorry, a little bigger. So maybe like this, and then down more, like that maybe. Something like this, guys. Right, and now you're going to want to insert a text label. Actually two, so let's just duplicate the text label. Get one, just put it right here for now. And then the second one, you're going to want to type welcome. You can do this however you want, guys, but I'm just, since this is a little tutorial, I'm gonna keep it simple. And now I'm gonna do, this is for YT, and then make sure the border's off, guys. So border size pixel will be 0. Same for the welcome. Perfect, guys. So you see this, and maybe raise that up, and make sure the welcome text size is a little bigger. So yeah, probably a little less than that. Maybe like 35, maybe. Yeah, probably 35 would be good. And now you're going to, in the frame, you're also going to want to insert one more thing, and it's going to be a text button. And this is going to be your close button. Right, so you're going to type in close. Right, make sure the text is, no, text not be scale, maybe text like 23. Yeah, that's probably good. Text, no. Text color 3, I'll make that red, I guess, if I want. Alright, and then background color, I'm gonna make the background color black. You know, just for like a little cool feeling. So yeah, this is gonna be your basic thing. So you're gonna load in welcome. This is for YT, but you don't have to type this is for YT. So then your close thing's right here, guys, but it doesn't do anything yet. So you're gonna want to insert a local script in that text button. Delete the hello world, and you're gonna want to type script dot parent dot mouse button 1 down, so let's get that, colon connect function, and then bracket, and then delete that one. Enter. Wait, what? Guys, I think I accidentally just messed up. Crap. Function. What? Alright, let me just redo this, guys. I'm very sorry about that. Connect. So we're gonna colon connect. Oh my god. Connect function. Very sorry about this, guys. Right, and then you're gonna want to delete this one. There we go, guys. So this is what you want so far. Now you're gonna want to do script dot parent dot visible equals false, and that's a script. Now let's go to your frame, and now we can adjust the frame, guys, because now got everything out of the way. So now you can actually do whatever you want. So let's customize it. Background transparency, a whole bunch. So yeah, you can do whatever, guys. Frame, I guess I would just make the background 0.5 maybe. Yeah, that looks cool. Alright, so guys, now we hit press play, and it should work, unless I've done it wrong. I don't think I did, though. Alright, welcome. This is for YT. Close. Boom. And it closes, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope this was very helpful for you. If it was, smash the like button. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.